This is a 2009 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Its top features and packages include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, XM satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a multi-function display, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, side impact airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, an unattended headlight warning chime, a pass-through rear seat, steering wheel mounted controls, and this vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.